Hi guys, what are you up to? Oh, I see. This trampoline was for the babies, but you don't know where they are? You really seem to enjoy jumping, Carl. Uh-oh, looks like you're needed back at your base, Carl. Bye, Amber. Good luck at the Holi race.
Huh? Whoa!
This is the Holi race. Uh-oh, Carl. The Holi racers are headed right towards all those haystacks in the road. You better figure out how to move them. Fast! Walter, you'll never move all the haystacks in time. Don't worry, though. Supertruck is here to help. Supertruck, what kind of vehicle can move all this hay? Oh, good idea. Now you can move the haystacks easily, Supertruck. There you go. Oh dear. Babies, what are you doing back there? Your playing is knocking the haystacks onto the race course. Supertruck is right. It's safer if you go have your own Holi race on the playground. The racers are nearly here. You're right. Looks like we only have a few minutes left. What will you do, Supertruck? Oh, wow! Super Reactors! Now you can move super fast! Look at him go, Walter! Here they come! Hurry! All the stacks are clear! Oh. Wow, they're so fast! Congratulations, racers! You were great! So were you, Supertruck. You really saved the day. Enjoy your Holi celebrations, everyone. See you next time! Hey, Lily. Taking the babies to the park? You're going to do a balloon drop for Valentine's Day. You're going to release 100 balloons. Awesome! I think the babies want you to zigzag again, Lily. Lily, look out! Oh no! Get Supertruck to help? That's a great idea! Carl, we need your help! Lily and the babies are hanging over the bridge at the park! They might fall! Lily, Supertruck is here to save you. Right, the babies are inside. You're going to transform? Great idea! Nice! You can save the babies now! Great idea, Carl! Okay, babies, you're going to have to jump onto Supertruck, okay? Are you ready? Only 2 more to go! Last one! Oh no! Supertruck, you'd better do something!
Manimo!
Oh no! Those balloons were keeping Lily stable! You'd better do something now!
Manime, Renato!
A mattress! That should give you a soft landing! Right! It's not in the right place! Babies, can you help? Good job, babies! Carl's going to give you a little push, okay? Wow! Nice landing! Well, babies, you seem to have fun. You too, Supertruck. Take it easy, guys. And thanks again, Supertruck. Hi, guys. This looks like fun. I wonder who's going to win this race. Carl, looks like you're going to win. Jerry wins! That's so unfortunate, Carl. But looks like somebody needs Supertruck. Amber has been entertaining babies with soapy bubbles when Marley decided to pull a prank and added hardening liquid to the machine. Now the bubbles don't burst and lift the babies up in the air. You have to save them quickly, Carl. Looks like the babies are actually enjoying it. Carl, look! There is Marley! We'll deal with that later. Now we have to save the babies! A super helicopter? Of course! Now, let's save the babies! It's not as easy as you anticipated, is it?
Oh no.
Yes! Now you've got it under control, Supertruck! Oh no! It looks like Marley's liquid wore off! The bubbles are popping! Supertruck! The babies will fall on the ground if you don't do something! Don't worry, Amber. Supertruck is on it. Yes! All babies are safe on the ground. It's okay, Amber. Supertruck saved all the babies. Marley, do you see how far your prank went? But thanks to Supertruck, the situation is under control. That is a brilliant idea, Supertruck! The babies are having great fun. And more importantly, it's safe. I wonder what we're going to see in the next episode. Good morning, Lily. Good morning, babies. Are you dancing? Oh, you're putting on a musical. How fun! Break a leg. It's just an old theater expression. It means good luck. Hey there, Massimo. You've brought the costumes? Great! Why is it empty? Oh no. Lily's right. The costumes fell out through this hole. Don't worry, Supertruck will know what to do. Sorry to interrupt your inspection of City Power, Carl, but the babies need to find their costumes before the show starts. Can you help? Awesome! Let's go! The show is supposed to start very soon. What should we do, Supertruck? Good thinking. Massimo, can you show Supertruck the route you took to get to the park from the tire shop? Great! Now we just need a vehicle that can quickly pick up all of these costumes before showtime. Wow, a super vacuum? This is perfect! All right, guys, we've got to hurry. Let's go! Hey, there's a costume. Use your hose. Why isn't it working? Oh, you accidentally reversed the suction. Oops, better try again. Aha! There you go. Nice! There's another one. Oh, and another. Nice work. Whoa, what is it? Aha! Can you reach it, Supertruck? Almost there. You got it! There it is! The last one! Well, we've got the last missing costume. But we've really got to hurry to get back to the park. Come on! Don't worry, Supertruck and Massimo found all the missing costumes. Hurry, babies! Go get dressed before the show! You all look great! Are you ready to put on the musical now? Oh dear, the speaker system is broken and the music won't play? And the whole town is already here for the show! Supertruck, try using the ST3000! Excellent! Now you can use the hi-fi to play the music, Supertruck! Seems a bit quiet. No worries, just turn it up! Perfect! Let the show begin! Wow, look at the babies go! They're so talented! Massimo, you should be out there too with those moves! Well done, Supertruck! You really saved the day! Have fun, friends! Hey kids, thanks for watching. If you like Supertruck, click here to subscribe. For more adventures, click here. See you on the road.